So today our patient is this washing machine. So the issue with this washing machine is that the timer has gone bad. And the reason why that happened is because a sock got caught into the water pump and it wasn't able to emptying it, and it was running for like 3 hours straight, forcing it, and then what happened is part of it got burned. I did dismantle it first, cleaned out the contacts, but it was too damaged. So I decided to buy a new one. So the part we'll be changing is this right here. It's from Alliance Laundry System, and this is about a $250 part. This specific part is the 38881P, and this is what it looks like. So inside, I don't know if you know how the piano music playing instruments work, the toys. Basically, there's a wheel that turns and it controls the different contacts there. So this is a 5-cycle. It has a soak, regular, permanent, and hand wash. So how I noticed this was the issue is because it would just screw up the cycle. So you would start it, it would fill up the water, and then it would just stop. So then I would do a complete turn, it would start, but instead of running like 13 minutes, after 3 minutes it would shut down. And then sometimes it would finish without emptying. So when that happens, you know that this issue is with the timer. So first, you come over here and you need to remove these screws. So there's 2 here holding the panel. So you can start with that. And it's hexagonal head screws, which I'm using this tool. There's a second one here. So once you get that tube, you can already take this first cover off. We'll put it there. Now we need to remove the panel. So the panel, same thing, same size, or a flathead screwdriver. So put the screws aside, and oh yeah, before everything to remove this, push this down and spin it counterclockwise, and this is going to come off the knob. And then this you can pop it out by pulling on it with a flathead or your nails. And you can screw up with this because it has a certain way to go on it, so don't worry about it. So now you can remove this, gently tilt it, and you see there's 2 places holding it. Just be gentle, tilt it, remove it a bit, lift it, and then put it this way. So be careful not to damage the pipe going there and the wires. So here what I'm gonna do, there is again the same screws that you have to remove. So just remove that. That's holding basically the timer unit. All right. And then just gently pull it. That's it. Now, one last thing is to remove this connector. So just press on it and start wiggling it right, left. There you go. And then we're gonna put this dead one aside. Get the new one in. Plug it in. Wiggle it nicely until it goes in. There you go. I heard a click, so it should be it. And then you put it in. Align. Take your screws, put it back on. So all in all, it's a job that will take you like no more than 5 minutes. It's pretty simple forward. This part obviously costs some money, about 250 bucks. So you can always try to open this and clean the inside, which I tried, but it failed. So I decided to just change it. And that's it, pretty much. Now I have to just reassemble everything. So now all you have to do is clip it back there gently. So do the bottom clips right here, here, and then push it a bit, and then tilt it gently. And basically these metals has to come right here. You're gonna see there's a space on both ends, and then always gently, and then that's it. So then take your 3 screws and then start putting them on. One here, one in the middle. Then take your cover. The cover has 2. And next thing is to put back your knob right here. So we're gonna put the knob here. So come here and you can see that there is a flat part and a groove. So flat and a groove. So it's gonna be like this. Just wiggle a little, push, and then this you turn it clockwise, and then you can just tighten it. So when you make it work, is you pull, and it's gonna work. So push, choose. Oh my God, it feels so much smoother than the old one. And then pull to start. So we can test that right now. Just record. All right, so now let's try it out. So normal, pull. All right, it's starting. I'll add my soap. Okay. All right, as you can see, it's almost full. And if it starts right away, it means it's working, because the previous one, after I tried to fix it, it got even worse, so it wouldn't start. So I'm gonna close it, and once the water stops, it should start running and doing its job. So it should start in a couple of seconds. Oh my God, right away. That's an excellent sign. So we fixed it. So good luck with your project. Don't be scared to fix your machine yourself. It's a very easy job. Thank you.